Hey guys, today I'm going to install the extended bump stop on my 2015 JKU. So as you can see, I got the DIY setup at the moment. So that's a stock bump stop with the cap on top and I duct tape around it. So that's a cap that I used and just a simple one. And as you can see, I just duct tape it. It currently does the job pretty well, but I ordered the the longer ones. So these are the longer ones just arrived and they are 11 centimeter long, as you can see here. And they are long enough for my rims and tires. So I'm going to install it and I'm sure you guys, it's very simple. So I'm not going to remove the tire entirely, just undo the nuts, a few threads, so I can move the tire a little bit and get some room. And then I can just straight pull the old bump stops. It's just like that. And then now I can install the new one. Just put back in the hole and slowly put it in place. It's quite simple. All right, now I have already tightened the nuts and fully installed the bump stops on both sides. As you can see, once tightened the nuts, it's slightly compressed, and it's nice and tight. It's quite strong. That's exactly what we want. All right, that's it for the installation. It's very simple, guys. It took only like 5 to 10 minutes. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you.